on the occasion of the Republic Day, that is the 26th of January, this year's Republic Day chief guest is the President of France, that is Emmanuel Macron. And we will be looking today about the Republic Day and the India-France relations. Hello and welcome to the in-depth series of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh, and in today's video we will be talking about the chief guest for this year's Republic Day and the India-France relations. About the points of discussion, first we will be looking at the news and then Emmanuel Macron in India, what are India-France relations, and then in the end a prelims MCQ. Topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 2, that is international relations. Knowing about the India-France relations is of importance. And now on the occasion of the Republic Day, Drishti IAS has come up with a special discount for all of you, that is 20 to 50% off, and today is the last day to avail this offer. So you can go in the description box, the link is given there, or you can download the Drishti Learning app and keep on subscribing to the channel. The news talks about roadshow, front tour and more Republic Day chief guest, Macron's plan in India. So the chief guest for the Republic Day is the President of France, that is Emmanuel Macron. So Emmanuel Macron will be in India on a 2-day visit on the eve of Republic Day, that is on he will be arriving on 25th of January and then he will stay on 26th of January also. So Macron, who is the President of France, will be India's chief guest for the 75th Republic Day celebration. So this will be the 75th Republic Day of India, and the France President will touch down in Jaipur, where he will go on to see few of the places in Jaipur, and then he will meet India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And the contingent of the France Army will participate in this year's parade at the Kartavya Path. So the parade which will be happening on the 26th of January at the Kartavya Path, in that parade the French contingent will also be taking part, and this will be the 5th time a French president has been invited to be India's chief guest on the Republic Day. So this shows that India and France always had a good and a positive relations, that a country's president is coming for the 5th time to be the chief guest of a Republic Day. Now about the India-France relations, if we talk about, then France is India's 8th largest trading partner, and economic aspect is one of the most important aspects from the bilateral relations of two countries. And France, if we talk about, is also a European country and one of the most powerful European country, big in land size also. So France as India's 8th largest trading partner, and both the countries are negotiating on a free trade agreement, that is India and European Union free trade agreement, to further expand the relationship, as the free trade agreement between two countries shows that how good relations the two countries have, and the import and the export and the trade between the two countries, or the bilateral relations or the bilateral trade between the two countries improves, as there will be no duties and tariffs which will be charged on each other's product. Then both India and France may discuss market access, intellectual property rights and investment facilitation, etc. and also about the defense segment like the fighter jets or the submarine aspect, because France, if we talk about, then France is a major producer, is the major exporter of the arms and ammunitions with regard to the defense sector. Then economic relationship is marked by significant business presence, trade and investment, and this shows in the form of that over 1000 French companies operate in India. So more than 1000 French companies have offices in India. It means that the French companies, the MNCs, the multinational companies from France are giving employment to a large section of people in India. And these companies operate in a diversity of sectors like manufacturing, services, technology, while more than 200 Indian companies are established in France. So if we talk about the French companies in India, it is more than 1000, and then if we talk about the Indian companies in France, then it is more than 200. Then in the year 2022 to 23, bilateral trade reached 19.2 billion. So 19.2 billion, if we break down in the component of export and import, then the export was of 7.6 billion and the import was of 6.2 billion. So this is around the trade, that is 19.2 billion. If we talk about export, what are the things we are exporting is diesel, ATF, that is the air turbine fuel, turbojets, apparel, footwear, smartphones, etc. And what are the things we are importing? Planes, helicopters, spacecraft, LNG, gas turbines, etc. So it is basically and majorly the things that we are importing are about the defense sector. Then investment wise, if we talk about, then France is 11th largest investor in India. So French companies and the French FDI is also a big factor. Then cumulative FDI, that is the foreign direct investment inflow of 10.5 billion from 2000 to 2023, and France is India's second largest arms supplier. So this is also saying, and this shows that over the years, over the decades, India and France have developed onto their relations, and it is becoming even more stronger with each passing time. And France is India's second largest arms supplier also. So if we talk about the arms supply, then India is very much dependent on Russia, France, US, as these are the big and the major exporter of the defense equipment. Then if we talk from the perspective of defense, then 36 Rafale jet for the Indian Air Force and the success of the P-75 program, that is the 6 Scorpion submarines. So in this also India partnered with France. If we talk about the space segment, then there were agreements between France agency CNES and India's space agency ISRO, and this includes the joint Earth observation satellite in the name of Trishna, and then the maritime surveillance satellites in the Indian Ocean also. So with regard to defense, economy, space, India and France are having good relationship, and India and France are collaborating with each other and moving forward. Then if we talk about from the perspective of counter-terrorism, then both India and France are strengthening cooperation between France, GIGN and India's National Security Guard. So both France and India stand together and stand firm against the topic of terrorism and against the topic of war, as earlier they discussed about the Russia-Ukraine war, and as of now both countries want peace with regard to what is happening between Israel and Hamas. Then from the perspective of civil nuclear energy, progress on the 6th European pressurized reactors power plant project in Jodhpur, Maharashtra. So in this also India and France are collaborating with each other. Now if we talk about from the perspective of blue economy means water. So this is collaboration between France IFREMER and India's National Institute of Ocean Technology on ocean research under the blue economy and the ocean governance roadmap. So from the perspective of blue economy also, both India and France are collaborating with each other to find out and to explore new things. Then announcement of financing from the French Development Agency for India's Sustainable Cities program. So France is also collaborating with India with regard to the Sustainable City program. So they are helping India, they are financing India. Then student mobility, if we talk about, then there is a target of welcoming 30,000 Indian students in France by the year 2030. So France is also paying a lot of attention towards generating more students from India and attracting more students from India. Then diplomatic and consular network, if we talk about, then opening of a Consulate General of India in Marshall, France, and a Bureau de France in Hyderabad, India. So both the country have the consulates of each others in their countries. So this was about the India-France relations. And now on the eve of the Republic Day, on the auspicious occasion of the Republic Day, for the 5th time a French president will be the chief guest of India on Republic Day. Now in the end, a prelims MCQ, and people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. This is a PYQ of the year 2016. You have to talk about the correct statement. Consider the following statements. There are 2 statements given. First, the International Solar Alliance was launched at the United Nations Climate Change Conference in 2015. Second, the alliance includes all the member countries of the United Nations. Which of the following is correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. So give me the answer in the comment section. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.